Quick guide to growing your own onions. To grow your own onions, start by finding a sunny spot in your garden. Onions need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day to thrive. You have 2 options to start growing onions: seeds or onion sets. For beginners, onion sets are easier and provide a quicker harvest. Make sure your soil is well draining and rich in organic matter. This will create the perfect environment for your onions to grow. Plant the onion sets about 1 inch deep and space them 4 inches apart. This will give them enough room to grow and develop. Consistent watering is crucial for onion growth. They need regular moisture to thrive. Also, don't forget to mulch around the plants to retain moisture and keep weeds away. Onions take about 3 to 4 months to fully mature. Be patient and wait for the tops to begin falling over. That's when you'll know they're ready to harvest. Congratulations, you've successfully grown your own onions. For more quick gardening tips, don't forget to subscribe. Happy gardening!